One tool making waves in the asset management planning space is the Arcadis Rehab and Replacement Planning System. This capital planning application leverages existing IT systems like GIS and CMMS to utilize the vast inventory of data that utilities have collected. The system applies criticality and condition scoring to develop risk-based prioritization for all capital assets. This system is configured with rehabilitation and replacement costs, asset estimated useful life, and service level targets to model different budget scenarios. This allows you to see how changes in funding impact service levels like system-wide risk and condition. In this way, utilities can choose the most appropriate funding strategies to meet their service levels while optimizing both short-term and long-term capital plans.